Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super useful for your Webflow projects. How to add bullet points in 2025. Whether you're building a list of features, steps in a process, or just organizing content, bullet points can make your designs look clean and professional. If you're new to Webflow, don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account. Head over to the dashboard and select the project you want to work on. Once you're in the designer, navigate to the page where you need to add those bullet points. It's all about getting to the right spot quickly. Now, to add bullet points, start by dragging a text block element from the Elements panel on the left into your canvas. This is your blank slate. Double-click inside the text block to start editing. Webflow's rich text editor makes this easy. In the editor toolbar, look for the bullet point icon. It's usually represented by a few dots or a list symbol. Click that, and you'll see your text turn into a bulleted list as you type. If you want more control, you can switch to HTML mode. Right-click in the text block and select Edit HTML. Here, you can use the less than ul greater than tag for an unordered list and less than li greater than tags for each bullet point. For example, type less than ul greater than li greater than first item less than li greater than li greater than second item less than li greater than ul greater than. Hit save, and voila, your bullet points appear. Don't forget to style them. In the Style panel, you can adjust the bullet color, size, or even make them custom icons. This is where Webflow shines, letting you tweak everything to match your site's aesthetic. And there you have it. Adding bullet points in Webflow is straightforward and versatile. Practice this on a test page to get comfortable, and soon it'll be second nature. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Webflow tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.